my millionaire, what's going on in a Filecoin is moving very badly false, my brother. What's going on in this current time? Absolutely every holder ask me to what we do, sell, hold, or buy. What's prediction? They going up in upcoming days or they going down? Exactly, this video is going very important for Filecoin holder, so keep watch every second. This is just 2 minute video, and I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Okay friends, come to the point, but I request you please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Please my brother, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button for latest news. Okay my brothers, as you can see here, I have 3 year experience and I give you just advice. I cannot order you to sell it or hold it or buy it. Please understand, research personally if you invest in any cryptocurrencies. My friends, this time change occur 15.54% very badly falls down after a very big jump. Exactly, after a very bad jump. Filecoin as in last 2 weeks they gone very upward, very good change occur, but I can't believe this is why they are in negative in these days. So absolutely, this is the circulation. If you can see here, I draw a chart, and after I draw a chart, then you understand this is towards my prediction, they going up or they falls down. You can see here, my friend, after very bad falls they take a high jump. Exactly, and those days absolutely they falls down, my brother. If you can see here, very badly falls down 15.54%, they falls down. And the latest price you can see here, $184 is the latest price. You can see here, after a very bad falls they also going up. I know this is the circulation of crypto market. Absolutely every cryptocurrency moving like that. Absolutely, after a falls they take a jump, and after a jump they take a fall. So this is the continuous process circulation, my friend. Please, the good time is coming soon. Filecoin is moving up like a rocket. Good time is coming. Please hold it. My prediction today going up. Exactly, our target as easily $190. This is easily they can cross it just in the end of this month. Please tell me what you say. Can they go up? What's your opinion to this? Is selling time or holding time? My opinion as that to this is holding time. Please tell me what's your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.